Hi everybody, I'm David Avant, photographer at photogdavid.net and mdmaphoto.com. In the previous video I showed you how to create a proof watermark that covers the entire image while still allowing relatively distortion-free viewing of the image. Now in part 2 I'm going to show you how to create an action that will put this in place for both vertical images and horizontal images. So to start out, I've got two images open. I've got a tall one and a wide one, or a vertical and a horizontal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, do a select all, which is Control A, and then a Control C, which is going to copy this tall image. We're going to put that on our wide image, and as you can see it doesn't fit all the way, so we're going to zoom out a little bit and use our crop tool to make the image large enough so that the vertical or tall image fits on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and left align that so that we have a perfect square of the tallest and widest that our image will ever be. If you've not opened any actions ever before, you'll need to go to Window and Actions or hit Alt F9. And what we're going to do is go ahead and create a new action here. We're going to call this proof and hit record. That's basically going to record everything that we do in Photoshop. So I'm going to do a file and place, if I can find it, and we are going to place our proof on the screen, and it looks like it's showing perfectly since it's the same size. And then we hit stop. So that's really all there is to it when it comes to creating actions. We'll go ahead and delete that proof and hit play on the action just to make sure it works properly. And there you see, works exactly how we want. And you can also see, since we got a black background here, that the black shows up on the white and the white shows up on the black. Alright, so now that that's done, you can go ahead and close this. You don't need to save it. And when you want to process your raw images, you can go ahead and go to File and Scripts and go to Image Processor. You pick a folder that has some raw files in it. I've already got one selected here. And I like to make my quality a little bit lower because it's just a proof. It doesn't really matter. And then I resize. Depending, I sometimes will go as small as 1024 by 1024, but usually it's 2048. And it's big enough for them to see. It's still got the proof on it. And yeah, anyways. So you're going to run the action, default actions proofs. Or in your case it's going to be called proof. I've got two. Anyways, and then you just hit run, and it'll ask you to open the first image, change any settings you might want to change, brightness, etc. And you let it run, and that's all there is to it. It's going to go ahead and put proof all over these images, so it's safe to send to the client and not worry about them uploading your unfinished work on the internet. Thanks for watching.